Hello my friends. This is May 15th. It's a Saturday. It's about 5:30 p.m. It's just a look at the trees started popping out their little buds and green maybe 2 or 3 days ago. We had a couple days of rain. It's nice to see. Filling out nicely. Lots of green around. So look at the garden. Been out here all day. The bees are busy. But yeah, what I'm doing out here is planting some corn. I have, what's this here? Canadian Early Super Sweet Hybrid. So supposedly it grows in my zone very well here in Alberta. I just follow the directions on here for seed spacing. There's what the seeds look like. Just dried up kernels off a cob. And this was $5 Canadian. I got 9 times 5. I got 45 kernels. So if I grow some corn, I'll be keeping some for seed. That's pretty expensive. But yeah, so what I've done here is last year I had strawberries planted in here in the fall, and they didn't take. And I waited for a while but saw no green, so I've removed strawberries, added a little more dirt, evened out the bed. I've come in here and I've modified the spacing a bit from the directions, but basically they are 20 inches apart, the rows, and the plants are 10 inches apart. So I got 3 rows of 9 plants, or 27 plants in this 4x8 bed. And to plant them, all I did was took a stick and measured it. I just wrote where an inch is, 2 inches, 3 inches. I just take the stick. These are supposed to be 2 inches deep, so I just go into about 2. And you can see the mark. And then I pop a seed in there. I don't know if you can see in these holes, but there are these seeds in there. Yeah, just using my measuring tape. Made sure all the rows were equal. Drop my seeds in there. I'll cover them up and give them a good watering. I have extra seeds, so got 2 more rows over here. I don't know if you can see them. I think I'm planted out 2 more rows with the proper spacing this time between the plants. And it's more like 24 inches instead of 20. Here's my carrots coming up. I don't know how well you can see those. It's great to see. All kinds of carrots. I just have this on here so the cats don't dig in there. It's a good deterrent. Got some more carrots here. They aren't coming up yet. Some oregano, and I can't remember. Oh, basil's planted on the end. But yeah, just out here planting some corn. Filling in these beds also, and doing the dirt. Here's some dirt. I just poured some water on it to cool off the water in the hose. It's a little tip: if you're watering, it's been sunny all day, let the hose run on something that you're not growing plant in, or you don't mind the hot water out of the hose damage your plants. So let it run till it's cooling off the water. That's why this is all wet. Here, it's got nothing in it. I'm just filling in dirt. Filling in dirt on top of leaf and grass mulch. That's in turn on top of hugelkultur core of fallen trees I've chopped up. Trees like that. So yeah, I'm just going to fill this one in. I'm just putting the trees in there. Get some leaf and grass mulch on top, and then more dirt like this. That's how you fill a raised bed for free, and that creates awesome dirt. Very productive. But yeah, just look around. All the trees are popping. Everything's turning green. It's a beautiful Saturday here at the old homestead. So hope everyone's having a good day wherever you are, whenever you watch this. Peace.